Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
What a chilly day. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa. Are you okay, sir?
No.
My name is Blake Malone. I am CPR and first aid certified. Am I willing to help you with this?
Yes, please.
Okay, are you able to go into the garage where it's warmer? Okay, yeah, let's just go in the garage, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is check to make sure the scene is safe. The scene was safe. And then you want to ask for consent, which is what I did. And now we're gonna go into the healing process. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover this wound up with the gauze. If it leaks through, we're gonna add more. It looks like it's good. Okay, we're gonna apply the bandage and hold that there. We're gonna check for PMS, so we're gonna check the radial artery, check for pulse, check for circulation, capillary refill. Can you feel this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the bandage and we're gonna start off in a 45-degree angle. You also want to be wearing your PPE, which isn't available right now. Do the doggy ear. And are you feeling dizzy at all?
No, sir.
Okay. If you feel dizzy at all, let me know so you can sit down. Once it's all covered, get the remaining, put your finger like this, and then do the tie off. Once that's done, you want to check for the PMS again to make sure it's not too tight. Check the radial artery again. And then capillary refill. Do you feel this?
Yeah.
Okay. So if the bleeding doesn't stop, you're going to want to call 911 and get medical attention right away. For this case, it looks like it's good. So after you're done with wrapping it and everything, you want to ask the sample. So signs and symptoms, some signs are he's obviously bleeding. Are you having any pain or anything like that?
A little bit.
Okay. So then do you have any allergies?
No.
Are you taking any medications?
No.
Do you have any pertinent medical history?
No.
What was the last food and drink you had?
Some pineapple ice cream, pickles, and water.
And when was that?
Like 2 hours ago.
Okay. And then what the events leading up? Like what happened?
I was snowblowing. A plastic bag got caught up. I forgot to turn it off. Tried to get the bag out, and I just cut my hand on the blade.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you that to keep this on until you get home, and you're gonna want to wash it with warm water and soap. And if you're experiencing infection, which could be redness, swelling, or any kind of pain, then you should seek medical attention. So, are you good?
Yep. Thank you.
Always turn your snowblowers off!